Hello everyone, I'm Judilcy Bautista and I'm here to report the blood analysis. So for the lesson objective is about at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define the blood stain pattern analysis or BSPA and explain the importance of blood stain pattern analysis. So for the first slide, it's all about blood stain pattern analysis. So what is blood stain pattern analysis? So, is the interpretation of the blood stain at the crime scene in order to create the action that is cause bloodshed. Next one is type of stain. There are three types of stain, which is passive stain, transfer stain, and impact stain. Passive stain includes drop flows and pulse and typically result from the gravity acting on an injured body. And second is transfer stain. Result from the object coming into contact with existing body stain in living wipes is wipes or pattern transfer behind, such as a bloody shoe print or smear from a body being dragged. Last is impact stain. So, ang impact stain naman guys is result from blood projecting through the air and are usually seen as spatter but may also include gashes, splashes, and arterial spurts. So, next slide is documentation of blood stain evidence. So, dinodocument nila ang blood spatter sa crime scene at sinusukat ang mga spatter to provide measurement. And ginagamit ang mga documentation na ito upang makapagbigay ng karagdagang dokumentasyon at para ma-identify ang angles where the blood came from. So, next is the types of blood spatter. Back spatter, satellite spatter, forward spatter, and high velocity spatter impact or HIVI. So, ang back spatter naman is blood directed back toward the source of energy or force that caused the spatter. Satellite spatter naman is small droplets o mga tulo-tulo of blood that are distributed around a drop or a pool of blood as a result of blood impacting the target surface. Next is forward spatter. Blood which travels in the same direction as the source of energy or force which cause the spatter. Last is HVIS, which is high velocity impact spatter. Blood stain pattern caused by a high velocity impact force to a blood source such as that produced by gunshot o yung pagputok ng barel or high speed machinery. Next is the importance of blood pattern analysis. So, blood stain pattern analysis provides the important forensic information. Nagbibigay ng informasyon about the crime under investigation, tungkol sa krimen na nangyari during investigation. It tells what happened. Sinasabi ng blood pattern analysis kung ano nga bang totoong nangyari sa isang krimen. Blood stain pattern occurs in several distinct categories, each revealing piece of the crime puzzle. So, reconstruction of the crime scene. So, ano nga ba yung reconstruction of the crime scene? The importance of reconstruction of the crime scene is to find the area of the origin. Ang kahalagahan nito para malaman kung saan ba nanggaling mismo yung origin ng pangyayari ng isang krimen. And next is investigators use similar methods but also include the height calculation. This creates a 3D state estimate of the victim's location when the drops occurred. Also, to help reconstruction events that caused by the bloodshed, analysis use the direction and angle of the spatter to establish the area of convergence. So, this is the tools used in determine area of convergence. Ito yung mga kagamitan para malaman kung saan yung area of convergence. First is elastic sting and protractor. Next is mathematical equation, tangent, trigonometry function. Third one is a computer software program such as backtrack or hemospat. And last is the limiting angles method, which examine the physical evidence to exclude angles from analysis. If blood, example na to, if blood found on the underside of a desk or table, analysis know that at least a portion of the spatter producing event took place below the height of the desk table. So, ang blood spatter analysis ay ang mga paraan pagsisiyasat ng mga pattern o mancha ng dugo sa crime scene. Pinag-aaralan nito sa laboratory at inaanalisa para sa DNA profiling. So that's all for today's video.